Alright, so we're here in Graham. We finally listed this house. We got a lot of traction on Zillow. Over 4,000 views and close to 300 saves. That's a good traffic because it's closer to the city. And the next market in Monroeville, Marysville, don't have that much of a traffic, I'd say. It's super cold right now. I came in here to check some stuff and clean up the house. We did remove snow here, here, so cleaned it up. Now I'm gonna check the stairs and other parts of the house, and there's one we have to change a battery of a sensor and clean up the house because of the salt and some dirt inside. It's got a little bit dusty inside. It's freezing cold. That's why I didn't like the idea of listing a house during this cold weather, but still we have to sell it. So hopefully we can sell it. We'll have a open house today from 11 to 1. Let's see how many people show up, and hopefully we can sell it by the end of the day. All right, so I'm here in the basement. All right. Okay, so the basement. All right, so the open house is done. Got some feedbacks, and mainly it was like a craftsmanship, but the location is nice, the backyard is nice, and the driveway is nice, the garage is big. So the main concern was that the house looks a little bit dull for them. So I understand that, because we didn't actually do some aesthetic stuff like inside, so we didn't do that. I could have done some focal points in the house, but we didn't have enough time for that. So, and we have about 16 people, more than 16 people. So came in today, and it's not bad actually for this weather. Yeah, we have tons of snow outside, and it's very cold.